Welcome back to the channel. Before we jump into today's powerful video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the kind of life-changing content we share here. This video will show you how tiny habits can transform your entire life, even if you don't notice the change happening at first. So, let's get started. Section 1. Why small habits matter. Most people believe big changes require massive effort, but the truth is, real change starts from the smallest actions. A tiny improvement of just 1% may seem useless today, but repeated every day, it becomes a life-changing transformation. Think of it this way. Your life today is simply the sum of your habits. Whatever you repeat, good or bad, eventually becomes who you are. Small habits are not small at all. They're actually the building blocks of every major success story. Section 2. The power of compound growth. A tiny habit works like compound interest, slow at first, invisible for a while, then suddenly the results explode. People quit because they don't see progress instantly, but growth doesn't happen in a straight line. It happens after the slow, quiet phase where nothing seems to be working. If you stay consistent long enough, your habits eventually cross a breakthrough point where everything changes. Section 3. Identity is the root of every habit. Most people try to change their habits the wrong way. They focus on results instead of identity. Real change starts when you ask yourself, who do I want to become? If you want to become a healthier person, every small action, drinking water, walking 10 minutes, sleeping earlier, is a vote for that identity. You don't need perfection. You just need more votes for the person you want to be than the person you're trying to stop being. Section 4. Your environment shapes your habits. One thing people ignore is the power of environment. Your surroundings can either pull you forward or keep you stuck exactly where you are. If your environment makes good habits easy and bad habits hard, you'll win without even trying. Make the good choices obvious. Put your book on your pillow. Keep water beside you. Remove distractions from the room. Small changes in your environment create big changes in your behavior. Section 5. Small habits, big identity. Every habit you repeat says something about who you are. You're not trying to run a marathon. You're becoming the type of person who doesn't quit. You're not trying to read 50 books. You're becoming someone who never stops learning. Tiny actions build powerful identities. At first, the change is invisible. Then, suddenly, people start asking, how did you transform like that? But you know the truth. It wasn't luck. It was the small habits you built every single day. If this video inspired you, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get every new episode. We're just getting started, and the next videos will go even deeper into mastering habits, discipline, and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and remember, small habits create big lives.